Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
Wagwan, what's great? Chef here John Morris again, man, presenting to you how to make the perfect scrambled eggs. Yeah, man, So without further delay, let me take you right into preparing the scrambled eggs. So forward, let me show you what I want. 3 nice sized eggs. Alright, so we're gonna heat up our stove, put that on number 3. So we're just gonna beat our eggs, and we're not gonna add the salt and pepper at this time. We're gonna add it after the eggs are cooked. The reason why we're not gonna add the salt to this just as yet, because the salt produces water and you're not gonna get that fluffy scrambled eggs. So that's perfectly fine. We're gonna turn our stove up to 4. We're gonna add ½ tablespoon of butter. Some people may add heavy cream or milk to their eggs to get it fluffy, but this is how I get my scrambled egg nice and fluffy. Do not add the salt until after. You don't have to wait until that is fully melted. Go ahead right in with the eggs. So you don't want it to fry, you need it to cook slowly to an extent. As soon as you see the corner starts to set, you're just gonna go ahead and pull this right in. So that's how you're gonna create those fluffs. Just pull the egg in from the corner. So you don't have to constantly be beating it around. You're gonna get small chunks if you do that. And if you realize, you're creating those fluffs. So gentle heat. So you have to be patient with it, you know. That's set for a bit. So after about 2 to 3 minutes, you're ready to go. You don't want to dry this out. You want to remove it because it's still going to cook. Some salt and pepper mixed. Look how fluffy that is. Top that off with some freshly chopped chives. And there you have it. Fluffy scrambled eggs. Made easy here on Morris Time Cooking Egg. Once again, thank you very much for watching. And do remember to hit that subscribe button for more amazing videos like these. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel and go and big up on yourself.
Yeah, me see you on the dinner for later. But know you fast girl, you never tell me. Cause I know any man can feed you. So that's why I always take me to the kitchen. Yeah.